And you can see with us is a delegation of members of parliament. But the key interest is Senator Karongo. So we are here because we were summoned. We want to see the person who has summoned us. We hope we're in the regional office, right?
Okay, we can enter.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are clear with the secretary.
Asanteni sana.
We are not many.
We shall start. Because you have the people who make accusations and budgets.
Tutasimama. Hatuna
We shall start.
So anything beyond 10, yes, I will not take.
Yeah.
Usalimie na utuombee jamani.
Nimekusalimia there's one we have issues of safety, we have issues of COVID.
But you see, we would have been more than this.
I'm not handling more than 10 people.
That's okay, we are not.
So let me have
because I'm the lawyer and who has come with them, and each every person has a role to respond to.
Yes. And every person,
it's either you admit us, you don't admit us.
na kila boma iko na sheria yake.
Then take us to a bigger room.
Yes.
Take us to a bigger room.
Uliza mkubwa. Ukiangalia no.
Wacha tusikizane hapo.
Ya tunasikizana.
Wacha tusikizane hapo.
We are
not allow the entire town. Let me have
We actually 9.
You cannot.
And every person who is here has a role to play.
Yes, we also.
Mheshimiwa Kachini. Haya. Kaa chini wewe. Wewe simama pande hii. Simama pande hii. So,
that's an advocate.
Wakili.
Yes.
Sita pande kidogo.
That's the media.
That's the media. Wanangojea kidogo tafadhali. I'll be inviting you. Let me address
don't let them hear the reason you have called us.
Wakili ni boma yangu. Allow me to address this. I will have time with the media. There's no problem. I will talk to the media.
No, boss, I don't think you're being fair. These guys are working like you're working. You need to allow them to do their job.
You are public. You are public.
Okay.
Sasa karibuni sasa.